I've been thinking that I tend to make videos showing my process or just showing photos of the pieces I make for my more advanced classes. But I've realized there's an increasing number of people discovering wet felting and wanting to make all kinds of pieces out of wool. And honestly, I don't think there are many resources out there going deep into what you need to know when you're starting to wet felt. I mean, there are a lot of tutorials, but I think a lot of the details are missing. So people are asking things like, why do some felt makers work with hot water and others with cold water? Should I roll my felt gently or throw it hard? Should I use bubble wrap or a bamboo mat? So I decided to do an experiment. I'll be shooting some videos talking about tips and about answers to the most common questions people have when they're starting to wet felt. And I'll see how it goes. I'll see if there are any people interested. So stay tuned if this is something for you, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to answer.